In these questions, you have to find out the grammatically incorrect part or parts, okay? First question. The eruption of massive farmers' protests. Farmers' protests. Protests of farmers. Now, please note that the apostrophe is at the end. And why is it so? This is because farmers is a plural word. Okay, a plural word. It ends in S, and that's why the apostrophe is at the end. Protests of the farmers. Okay, and that's why the apostrophe is at the end. Now, this word, this is a noun. And this is an adjective for the noun protest. Okay, and how do I know that? This is because you have to ask us just a simple question. What kind of protest? Massive protest. So massive is an adjective. Okay. Across India. So whenever there are protests are done against something. Okay. So that's why against the Farm Acts. Have shocked those means those people in the seat of power in Delhi. Delhi, the name of a state, big place, and that's why in. Now, please note that whenever you find something in this pattern, the X of Y, the subject is always X. Okay, the subject is always X. So here, the X of Y. Here, X is eruption and Y is massive farmers' protests. Okay. So this means that eruption is the subject. Now, eruption is a singular noun. Singular noun. So the verb should also be singular, but have is a plural verb. So instead of have, it should have been has. Okay. So this is the error. Has plus V3. This is absolutely correct. V3. Those in the seat of power in Delhi. So your answer is option C. Answer is C. Part C has error. Okay. Next question. According to the government, many private markets will be established. Many denotes plural. So markets plural. This is correct. Will plus be plus third form. Why? Because the sentence is in passive voice. Okay. Who is establishing? We do not know. We do not know who is the doer. And that's why the sentence is in passive voice. So will plus be plus V3. Middlemen would disappearing. Farmers would be free. Okay. Now, please remember this rule, a very important rule. Can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, plus V1. Okay. Please remember this. First form of verb should be used. Okay. So here what do you have? You have would. So instead of disappearing, you have to use V1, first form of the verb, that is disappear. Disappear. Okay. So this is an error. Would be free. Farmers would be free. So would plus V1. This is correct. Would be free. Now this word free is an adjective for farmers. Farmers would be free. Free is an adjective for farmers. Like if I say the girls are pretty. Here pretty is an adjective. Okay, so the plus noun plus verb. The plus noun plus verb, be verb plus adjective. Okay, this is also a form. So this is an adjective. To plus V1. This is correct. To sell. To any buyer. Any plus singular noun buyer. This is correct. And farm gate prices would plus V1 rise. So here the error is in part B. So answer is option B. Okay. Next question. But the protesting farmers. Farmers, noun. What kind of farmers? Protesting farmers. Protesting participle acting as an adjective. So this is an adjective. Okay. Farmers do not. Farmers, plural noun. Plural noun. So plural verb do. Do not accept this claims. Claims. This is a plural noun. So this is incorrect. This is used for singular nouns. Okay. So you need a plural adjective here. So instead of this, these claims. THESE, these claims. Okay. These should be used. Next, they believe. They here has been used for farmers, which is plural. So they is correct. plus plural verb believe. This is also correct. That farm gate prices would fall. Would plus V1, correct. With the intensified. Now the is an article. Okay, the is an article. So a and the. With all these a and the, you have to use noun plus noun, or adjective plus noun, or adverb plus adjective plus noun. So in these three ways you can use articles. Okay, so here intensified, this word is a verb. Instead of this verb you need a noun here, so this is incorrect. Intensified should be changed to intensification, which is a noun. Okay, of a corporate presence in agricultural market. So there are two errors here. The first error is in part B and the second error is in part D. So B and D. Okay, now let's move to the next question. Okay. In this question you have to find out the sentence that is grammatically correct sentence. Farmers are forced to sold outside the mandis for two reasons. Farmers, plural noun. So plural verb are plus V3. Why? Because the sentence is in passive voice. Who is forcing? We do not know. We do not know the doer. So V3. To sold. 2 plus V1 should be used. But sold is V2. So instead of sold, we have to use V1. That is sell. Okay. Sell V1. Infinitive. 2 plus V1. Outside the mandis for two reasons. 2. Plural, so reasons plural. The first ordinal adjective. Before ordinal always the should be used. This is correct. Is that there are not enough mandis. Mandis plural noun. So plural verb are. Enough is an adjective for the mandis. How many mandis? Enough mandis. Okay, adjective of quantity or number, right? Here adjective of number. Fine. So enough mandis, this is enough is an adjective. In 1976 name is a year. So that's why in has been used. There were 4,145 large markets. Markets plural noun, and that's why plural verb were. Markets noun, large adjective for the noun markets. Okay, what kind of markets? Large markets. In India name of a country, and that's why in. With the average area served at 775 kilometers square. Okay, so this sentence is incorrect, so A is not your answer. Next sentence. The National Commission on Agriculture had recommended, had plus V3, correct, that every of Indian farmer. Now please remember this, that the word every is an adjective. You cannot use the word every like a pronoun. It cannot be used like a pronoun. Okay, this means what? After every, there should be a noun present. Okay. If I say each of the boys and every of the boys and each boy. Here, each of the boys is correct, every of the boys is incorrect, each boy is correct. This means each can be used both as an adjective and a pronoun. But every can be used only as an adjective, Here you are using every, here every is being used as a pronoun, which is incorrect. Here, each is being used as a pronoun, this is correct. Here, each has been used as an adjective, this is also correct. Now if I say every boy, then this is correct. Okay, this is correct. Why? Because boy is a noun, every becomes an adjective. Fine. So here in the question, in sentence B, this is incorrect. Of is present here, so every of is incorrect. Of should be removed. Okay, every Indian farmer should be able to reach. Should plus V1, correct. Able to, 2 plus V1, reach, correct. Mandi singular, so article A has been used, correct. In 1 hour, buy a cart means cart, so buy. Okay, this is correct. But the sentence is incorrect because of the word of. So B is also not your answer. Next sentence. Thus the average area served by a mandi. the average area. The average area is singular. This is a singular noun. Okay, area is a singular noun. Fine. Was. So that's why singular verb was has been used. To be reduced, 2 plus B plus B3, because the sentence is in passive voice, to 80 kilometers square. Who is reducing? We do not know. Doer is not given. Sentence is passive voice. For this, the number of mandis, so were to increase to at least 41,000. Okay. Now please remember this rule, a very, very important rule, and that is the number of. The number of. With the number of, you should use plural noun and singular verb. Plural noun and singular verb. Please remember this rule. Okay. So here, what do you have? The number of. Plural noun mandis is correct, but here you have plural verb which is incorrect. You have to use singular verb was. Okay. To increase, 2 plus V1, correct, to at least 41,000, but there were only 6,630 mandis. 6,600 plural, so mandi is plural. So here plural verb were. This is correct. In 2019, year, before year, in. This is also correct, with an average vowel. So an area served of 463 kilometers square. But the sentence is incorrect because of this. Okay, so this is also not your answer. So definitely your answer is option D. But let's check the sentence once. Using another set of criteria. So one set. Another means singular. Set. This set has many criteria, and so criteria has been used. The singular form of criteria is criterion. Criterion is singular and criteria is plural. This is plural. Okay. Fine. So criteria is absolutely correct. This set has many criteria, and that's why criteria. A government committee. Committee singular, and that's why a. Had recommended. Had plus V3. 2017 year, before that in. That India should have. Should plus V1. At least 10,130 plural, and that's why plural noun mandis. Okay. So option D is absolutely correct. Okay, so here I'll end the session today. I hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have, then please like the video, share this video with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And also please click the bell icon to get notified for the upcoming videos. In the description box, I have given link to the Telegram channel and the Telegram group. Please join the Telegram channel and the Telegram group to get notified for the upcoming videos. Bye everyone. I'll meet you again in my next video.